sangat melem guys, anjay, the bass track, anjay, bass track, bass track ya. Udah kini guys, ikannya tuh